guys, so today I'm going to be doing some cleaning, as I'm sure you already know from the title. I'm going to do a little bit of decluttering, some laundry, and then obviously some cleaning. And I was going to start right away, but I forgot I ordered some Panera and it just got here, so I'm gonna eat that first. Also, I got a new camera, if you guys can't tell by the quality. It really picks up everything, like my shiny forehead, and I'm messing around with the lighting. It seems really bright in the back, so I don't know. All right, I finished my Panera. Let me show you guys what we're working with. We're gonna start in the living room, and let me just show you what's happening here. This is the current state. I'm watching some YouTube videos for some cleaning motivation. But yeah, we got just a hot mess going on. This is stuff that I don't know, like I want it and I don't want it. So okay, Chevy,
like I'm trying to record a video. What do you want? Ready? Catch. He's not the smartest dog, you know, but I love him.
All right, I don't know what I'm doing with that stuff. This is all donate stuff that I decluttered and I don't feel like selling, so I'm going to, because I want to keep this bin, I'm going to put all the stuff in that bin because I don't want that bin, and then donate it. Random box that needs to go outside, and then the stuff in this bin was from the apartment that I lived in, you know, 7 months ago, that I've never put away. So mostly it's books, so I'm gonna put the books upstairs. And then, you know, oh, there's some socks. I guess we'll see where life takes us after that. As you guys can see, I started off with putting a load of laundry in so that could run. And I didn't notice this when I was filming, but while I was editing, look at this. There's a spider crawling up the door, and it literally caught my eye when I was editing, and I'm like, ew, I don't know where it is now, and it's kind of freaking me out. But oh well, this is not the first spider I found, so I don't know, I might have to get like an exterminator out here, because I swear they're like everywhere, even though I try and keep a very clean home. But anyway, I started a load of laundry, and I wanted to introduce myself. If you're new, my name is Alyssa, and I live in Michigan, if you couldn't tell from my sweatshirt that says Michigan on it. I'm 23 years old, and this is my first home that I purchased about 7 months ago, so I'm excited to bring you guys along in my cleaning, and because I do love to clean and organize. And I know a lot of you are from TikTok, so if you guys came over from TikTok, hello, I'm so glad to have you. And definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new and you guys want to see more cleaning and organizing videos. Speaking of organizing, I had this box of books, like I said, from my old apartment that I never put away the books. So I took those out and put them in my bedroom on these little shelves that I had, which I really, really like. But I want to paint them eventually. I think I'm going to paint them white. They're like a green color, if you can't tell. But for now, I'm just putting the books on the bookshelf, and then I will go back downstairs and get started on doing some living room deep cleaning. Alright, it looks a lot better. I got all the stuff transferred into that bin. I threw the rugs in the washer. Dog is still on the couch. I need to fold this blanket and put it away. My next task here is to get everything off of the floor that I can and give it a really good sweep. Usually I would just vacuum, but I really want to make sure I pick everything up and get in all the corners. So I'm going to take everything off the floor that I can and give it a really good sweep. Maybe mop. I don't know if I'm feeling like mopping today. So I never planned to actually do like a full deep clean in the living room. It kind of just turned into that. But, you know, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. Also, if you notice, I don't take out that last bin. It has all my, like, cable stuff in there, and I didn't feel like taking it out and dealing with it. So I didn't take it out. I went in with my Method Wood for Good clean. Is that what it's called? I absolutely love this stuff. I need to get more. I can never find it in the store, though, so I might have to order it. But I wiped down all the shelves, and I wiped down the table in the corner that you can't really see really well. And I literally did this process through the whole living room. I, like, wiped down the furniture, like the wood and stuff, moved stuff, swept and mopped behind if it needed to be mopped, wiped the baseboards if they needed to be wiped, and then, yeah, it ended up being, like, a super deep clean. The only thing I forgot to clean was this window right there that you can kind of see, so I had to go back and do that after the video. But everything else got wiped down, and I think I'm going to do this to like every room in my house and just give everything a deep clean, since I haven't done it since I moved in like November. So I want to quickly mention, because I'm sure somebody will point it out, as you can see, my blinds are kind of like crooked. So my dog, like months ago, chewed up one of the like string things and kind of messed up the blinds. You can kind of see it right there. So I'm gonna have to get new blinds eventually, but that's just not on the top of my priority list. He gets really bad anxiety like when I leave, and I used to just let him like roam around the house, but he started ruining things. Like he ruined the blinds, he peed all over my rug, which I'm still trying to get that pee smell out. I might have to just order a new one. So I ended up ordering a gate, and I'm like keeping him in the kitchen because I really don't want to crate him. But if this doesn't work, that might end up being what have to be. What? That made no sense. It might end up... Okay, I don't even know what I'm trying to say here. But the bottom line is he ruined the blinds. So that's why they're kind of crooked. And eventually I'll order new ones. But yeah, again, not at the top of my priority list. All right, guys, we have finished the living room and I'm literally so excited. I haven't done a deep clean like this since I moved in like 7 months ago. So everything's wiped down, moved, wiped behind. I didn't finish showing you guys me sweeping the floor because my camera died. And this is my dog struggling to jump up on the couch. But I don't know, just so excited to have this. How do you guys like this, by the way? I just added these shelves and I really, really like them. I changed the sign. I had a welcome sign there and now I have this sign. And, oh, okay, it's a bench for you apparently. But yeah, I'm kind of done cleaning now because I'm tired. So maybe I'll clean later or maybe I'll clean tomorrow. But regardless, yeah, I'm done for today or I'm done for right now because I'm exhausted.